Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For this recipe we're using 500 grams of flour and 250 grams of butter. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome, and if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. I'm so glad. Now I just added 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to mix it together, then I'm going to go on now to adding my butter. Now, it is advisable that you use the standard measurement 1:2, meaning if your butter is 1, your flour will be 2. While when it is like that, you're going to have a perfect pie crust or a perfect sausage crust. Now, this mixture is what you can use for your meat pie, for your fish roll, for your sausages, for your chicken pie, your fish pie. Name it, the list is endless. The pie recipes, this is what you need to use. So I'm using 500 grams of flour to 250 grams of butter. I'm going to mix it until my mixture is crumbly. Until it looks this crumbly, then I'm going to add in cold water. You can use ordinary water, but cold water has a thing it does to the pie. It brings out that is it crust. It brings out that perfect crust that you would like to see in any pie. So after mixing it till firm like this, I'm going to set it aside. You can keep it in the fridge, you can wrap it in your film, but I'm just going to set it aside. For me, it is fine. Now we are going on now to prepare our sausages. There are different kind of sausages you'll find in various shopping complexes or shopping mall. Make use of the one you like. Now there's this thin film, plastic film wrapped around the sausages. Make sure you take it all out, then mesh your sausages. Now some persons will spice it at this point after taking out the film and apply it directly to their dough, but me, no, I want to spice my further, and I want you to watch to the very end so that you miss out on any bits from this recipe. So after taking out the film and meshing my sausages, I'm going to put some vegetable oil into my pan and directly adding my sausage into the pan. I want to really spice my sausage, and I really want it to come out tasty and yummy with the way I like it. So after frying it for a while, now after putting it into the pan, I'm just going to stay on a light fry for like 2-3 minutes. Then after leaving it for like 2-3 minutes, I'm going to go on now to add in water. The reason why I add water is really because I want my spices to fully penetrate into the sausage. I don't want it to be on it. I want it to fully penetrate. So I'm adding in my paprika, adding in some seasoning cube. You can add in pepper, you can add in ginger, powdered ginger, fresh ginger, garlic. Just make do with any spice of your choice and just enjoy yourself. So I'm adding in flour after that because I don't want it to be watery because of the water I added. And once I stir all my spices together for a while and everything is fully mixed and is looking like this, I'm going to take it out and put it in my bowl and get ready for the process in full. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you are so welcome. And if you haven't, thumbs up this video. If you haven't liked, if you haven't commented, have you commented? Have you liked? Please do like, do share, comment on this video. Comment, do like and share. I want to really see it there. I want to really know what you think. And we are close to 1,000 subscribers. My dear, subscribe. Don't just watch and go. Subscribe. Encourage this ministry. Let it move forward. It encourages us to make more videos, and it encourages us to keep going. Now I'm going to divide my dough into 2 portions and roll it till thin. I really like it very thin. If you want your own thick, you want your crust thick and satisfying, you can make it thicker. Now after trimming the edges, I roll it in fat. I love trimming my edges. It gives your sausage a well finished look, as in it will be looking well finished. When I mean really well finished and looking good, then I'm going to go on adding my sausage to the edges, and I'm going to roll. Preferably you can roll twice, but me, I'm going for 3 times. I want this sausage to have a look that you will find out later on in this video. So I'm rolling 3 times. After rolling 3 times, I'm going to cut the sausage now, the roll from the main dough, and I'm going to now trim the edges further. This is very important. It makes your sausage look neat, it makes it look fine. Then I'm going to do a design I love doing on my rolls. And this is a diagonal cut with a sharp knife. If you use a sharp knife or a razor blade, the cut will be sharp and it gives a design that you will love. Your sausage will have a unique look and it will look beautiful. It won't look ordinary. So you can see what I did. I placed the sausage at the side of the other part of the dough so that it will have a uniform look and have a uniform measurement, so that one will not be looking bigger than the other. Then if you have Now you're going to find out what I did to the other dough. So watch to the very end. Thumbs up this video as you watch, comments, and tell me what you think. So I'm going to put it in my pan and set aside and go on now to, yeah, add in my this is the remaining dough. I'm just going to trim the edge of the dough further and add in my sauce also to this dough. It is important that you trim, don't just apply. Trimming gives your sausages, gives your fish roll, gives your pie this very finished look. It makes it look neat, it makes it look perfect, it makes it look beautiful. You don't just want to have something yummy, you want to have something that also looks attractive and beautiful, and that is the aim of all this. Now this is what I'm doing. I just apply my egg wash. One egg, just break it in a bowl is okay. If you do not have a brush, I showed this part because of those that do not have a brush. If you do not have a brush, just get a nylon, that a clean nylon, and just use it as your brush. Dip it into your egg and rub it on your sausages and you are good to go. Bake in an oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. This is after 35 minutes. You can see the sausage looking yummy, looking perfect, looking amazing. You can see the design. The design gave it a feeling, a look that wants to make you finish the whole of the sausage without thinking. Now our sausage is ready. Tell me what you think. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Good to have you here. Do like, share, and subscribe.